How to embed the link into a single word on Reddit. Now, in order to embed your whole link in a single word on Reddit, just simply go over any post. I'm using this post which I did myself in order to make this video, and after that tap to this join the conversation. After tapping into the join the conversation button, you will be allowed to add a comment. Now you will see this link button from the bottom left corner. Tap into that, and then into this name option in here, you just simply need to type the word which you would like to use, and into this link option, you need to type or enter the link which you would like to embed with the word. For example, let's use the word FB and use facebook.com as the link that I would like to embed with the text, and tap to insert like this. And whenever you post this comment, the comment will show a word embedded with the link. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.